We know that annual grass flowers refer to herbaceous flowers that complete their life cycle within one growing season, that is, sowing spring, flowering and fruiting summer and autumn, dying before the arrival of winter, and completed within 1 year. Due to spring sowing, it is also known as spring sowing grass flowers. Biennial grass flower refers to a herbaceous plant that completes its life cycle within 2 growing seasons. In the first growing season, plants only grow nutrient organs such as roots, stems, and leaves. In the second growing season, it blooms, bears fruits and seeds, and then dies, generally so in autumn and flowering in spring and summer of the following year. It is called autumn sowing flowers. Today, let's learn to recognize some annual and biennial grass flowers. Bromvalia belonging to the Solanaceae family, and the Bromvalia genus is an annual herbaceous plant. With a height of about 60 centimeters, it has a multi-branched stem and leaves that are emerald green and egg-shaped. The single flower is axillary and has 5 light blue petals. It is native to Colombia and blooms from May to October. Feverfew Asteraceae chrysanthemum agency biennial herbaceous flower with a plant height of 15 to 25 centimeters. Leaves that alternate and split in feather-like form once or twice. The inflorescence is terminal, with silver-white, thumb-shaped flowers on the edges, and golden yellow tubular flowers in the center. The stem is 3 to 4 centimeters long, and flowering can occur when the plant reaches a height of 15 centimeters. The flowering period is from late winter to early summer, and the peak flowering period is from March to May. Solomon mimosa, belonging to the Solanaceae family and Solomon genus, is a small shrub with upright branches. It is usually cultivated as an annual plant, with a height of 0.5 to 1.5 meters. The stem has short hairs and flat spines, and the leaves are ovate with crane-tail-shaped flocks. It grows outside the axils and has pear-shaped berries that are earthly yellow in color. The base has 5 nipple-shaped protrusions, little gourd, belonging to the gourd family, and the gourd genus is an annual, chronic herbaceous plant, with small leaves, strong branching, and many stones. Its fruit is 8 to 12 centimeters high and has a transverse diameter of 2 to 3 centimeters. Its fruit type is gourd with a sub-with shape, and a thin center divided into upper and lower chambers. Nigella, belonging to the Rhinonculaceae family and the genus Nigella, is an annual herbaceous plant that stands 35 to 60 centimeters tall. It has bright green leaves with lace, white or blue flowers, surrounded by linear leaves, and has a capsule. Its flowering period is from June to July, and its fruiting period is in August. Evening primrose, belonging to the family Rhinonculaceae, and the genus Inethera, is an annual plant in the north and a biennial plant south of the Huai River. It is upright or obliquely branched with few branches. The lower leaves are linear and lanceolate, and the stems and leaves are lanceolate. Without stems, the single flower is axillary in the upper part of the branch and blooms from evening to night. With a clear fragrance, the flowering period is from July to September. Scabious, belonging to the Dipsagaceae, and the Scabious genus is an annual and biennial herbaceous plant. With a height of 25 to 45 centimeters, it has smooth stems, multiple branches, sparse white hairs, and gradually falls leaves that grow relatively on each node of a stem or branch. Rectangular and round in shape with 3 to 4 pairs of deeply lobed to fully lobed feathers. The round head inflorescence is nearly spherical, and the corolla is 4 to 5 lobed. The small flowers at each of the inflorescence are large, radiating, fragrant, and bloom from May to June or August to October. Campanula glomerata, belonging to the Campanulaceae family and the bluebell genus, is a biennial herbaceous plant with a height of 40 to 100 centimeters. It has an upright stem and leaves that alternate with each other. The stem is ovate, lanceolate in shape, and the base leaves have long stalks. The upper leaves of the stem are semi-embracing, and the corolla is narrow bell-shaped, blue or white. The flowering period is from May to September. Bacopa monieri, belonging to the Scrophulariaceae and the Bacopa monieri genus, is an annual creeping herbaceous plant with flashing leaves, no stems, rooted and nose. Flower solitary in leaf axils, narrow bell-shaped, corollars. Blue, purple, or white. Flowering period from May to October, and a capsule. Selectron belonging to the Ranunculaceae family and the Selectron genus is commonly cultivated as a biennial plant. It has a thick and branched stem, and the basal leaves wither during flowering. The stem and leaves have 3 to 4 leaves with 3 lobes, and the top leaves are oblong or flattened. The inflorescence is umbrella-shaped with many dense flowers. It blooms in July and has akins, Zinnia elegans, belonging to the Asteraceae family, and the Zinnia genus is an annual grass flower with an upright stem and thick hair throughout the plant. 2 opposite leaves grow on each node, ovate to oblong in shape with entire margin and no stem. The base is slightly wrapped around the stem, and the thumb-shaped flowers are red, orange, white, yellow, and other colors. The tube-shaped flowers are yellow, and the flowering period is from June to October. Classmates, do you remember how many years old the Brovalia is?